Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to quickly switch your page orientation in Illustrator. Let's go. So the very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come to your toolbar right here. Go ahead and click on your artboard. So once you click on your artboard right here, so you have the detail about the artboard under the artboard property right here. You have layers, you have library. So right here, we need to come back to property right here. So by default, this was a portrait. I can decide to switch to landscape. So once you click on landscape, it will automatically switch. I can also adjust the size right here. I can also adjust the size of the artboard. I can, as much as possible, adjust the size as the case may be. Once you have satisfied, go ahead and select it and you are done. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you